Brandy. Oh, she's just a good girl. Have a seat. Have a seat. Good girl. Good girl. That's it. Now you're lying back down again. That's a good girl.
Right. I don't think so. Oh, it's like never really been close to any animal.
No, well, I mean, she's seen. Oh, she's approaching. Now, she has seen the dog before. Yeah, it's been in the house a couple of times, but in the
Good girl.
cage. She's got a wee tail wagging. Oh, look at bring your wee chew. No, no, that's not the water. You want to come and get water? Hmm? Just a minute then. Wait. See ya. Oh, this isn't very good. No, it's Brandy. Hang on. Brandy, stop it. No.
Brandy.
Ah! You'd been better just hooking it over the stump there, Scott. So we're doing fine. Come on, come and get
Brandy.
water.
Smile. Howie.